Greetings. I applaud everyone for laying aside their personal and sexual interest and to dedicate your time to watching this particular video. For those who do not know me, I am Kaushiki, a senior secondary student. This pandemic altered my personality severely. I pretty much do everything an ordinary teen does. I binge watch, I read immense amounts of books, I watch political rants, comment in them, I share memes to keep myself and others sane. I'm not afraid of responsibilities, but I procrastinate sometimes. I tend to opt out new challenges to make myself equipped with this generational technological changes happening all around of us. For the rest of the day, I philosophize and in short, I daydream. Let's get this straight. I preach global solidarity, stand against injustice, overconsumption, desertification, inequality, poverty, war, conflict, breaching of fundamental rights, government accountability and lack of it, corporate transparency and inadequacy in funding, and a lot more crucial topics and innumerable agendas that you know. Just like you, I stand with peace and against atrocities happening all around the globe. And who isn't? But these statements seem hollow and impractical until there's no practical evidence or strong witness about it. And being a part of 16% of youth population around the globe, it will really seem delusion if I say I expect radical change or we say we expect radical change about all of the above in just a month of our establishment. So I tend to focus on the reality on how the radicalism can be achieved. If this isn't slow progress, then what is? Let me put these words out in front of you. Acceptance, forgiveness, respect, ideation, incorporation, inclusivity. Being kind and generous for no reason, but questioning and educating people who are polarizing, politically non-aware. Self-reflection, propagating authentic information in this time is crucial. I know we tend to fall short on our promise. We say we will stop using plastic and the next day we have the same plastic bottle in our hand. And there are tons of examples out there. And if we are positive to stick and to these necessities of personality dimensions, then we are becoming a great individual in our personal lives. And we are also setting an example for the generation ahead. Even if we aspire to be the harbingers of liberty and enlightenment, we have to start small. Even though if we are starting small, we are thinking big. Imagine the intensity of 25 people in our organization, or even if I'm overestimating, opting for this mental approach. At the end, it will be too narcissistic and self-possessed if I say, vote for me because I don't intend to act in self-interest. And since we are bringing small shifts that are still Herculean in nature, I'm too honest for this. Thank you for patiently listening to my fast ranting. And if you skipped in between because you thought I was boring, I don't blame you. It will improve in the next video. Thank you.
Billions and billions and billions and billions